making a forge. Alright, we're going to take this pipe, drill some holes. Going to drill a hole in this. This is going to fit inside. Going to take the other cap, put it on the other end, and get this set up. Making a forge. How to make a forge. Alright, now I'm using, this is gas pipe, it's black pipe. You could use galvanized, as far as I know. And we're going to drill some holes. Alright, and what are we going to do with these brake discs? That's the question. And these metal plates. Well, stay tuned. Now we're introducing the plasma cutter. Alright, gonna get some action. The air hose goes into the plasma cutter. Cuts like butter. Almost folks, almost there. There we go. This is first part of this, so stay tuned. There's more to come. You'll see it live, not Memorex. Alright, it's a little too tall. We're going to cut some off of this. Let me tell you, this plasma cutter makes life nice. And it's operating off of this generator right here. We're starting to cut. It's about the right height. We might use this down here for putting water in and keeping the forge cool. Maybe.
So that.
Okay, we're marking out because we're going to cut this with the plasma cutter. We could use a metal cutting bit, but we have the plasma cutter. So the plasma cutter makes this really nice. Cuts like butter, really. It's the 4th of July. Instead of drilling, we're doing these little cuts. This is for your air. Okay.
Think that's good enough?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a set right here.
All right. Now this takes place using the plasma cutter. Takes the place of drilling holes. All right, I'll show you how we have this laid out now. Now this,
What's making me sick?
what is that? This is going to be the bottom. This breaks right here.
Someone's up on the Pipeline Road.
You can make these cuts with the Sawzall, and it would work with the Sawzall. It just takes more time. Now that flap is coming off. All right. Okay, coming together. Now, should I use this and put water in here to keep this bottom from getting so hot? Tell me. Because I have an inlet and an outlet. So should I use this bottom and keep it filled with water? That's the question. Easy 2 tips and tricks. So you see everything up close and personal. Now ultimately I'm going to coat the bottom. I'm going to put some concrete in the bottom of that. And that will preserve it, keep it from burning out over time. What am I doing with this 20-foot pipe? No, that's a 5-foot fence post.
6.
All right, 6 foot. Anyways, I'm going to show you how you can use a blow dryer with the forge. How a blow dryer can be used to make your forge.
Everything out of the car.
Yes, yes,
Hey,
yes.
Kaufman.
Hello, you know, I'm Ken. This is Easy 2 Tips and Tricks. This is part 1 of how to make a forge. It's how I'm doing it, me and my friend here. So stay tuned for part 2. And look forward to hearing from you. Now, would you use the bottom section to keep the bottom of the forge cool, by filling it with water? What would you do? Look forward to hear from you. Bye for now. God bless and Merry Christmas.
Square box, right?
Yeah.